Bismillah, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our presentation on the title about extrajudicial killing in counterterrorism, reformulating preventive measures. We are from the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta, Central Java in Indonesia. And this research examines terrorism, extraterritorial nature, and ambiguous legal definition in Indonesia. This leads to widespread human rights violation, notably extrajudicial killing. Yeah? Our study explores variable affecting judicial inconsistencies in applying northward access or justified defense. Yeah, in this case, it also analyzes the impact of extrajudicial killings on democracy and proposes a transformative counterterrorism model bridging human rights and democracy. The gap analysis question the possibility of eliminating extrajudicial killings without undermining counterterrorism efforts. And this article of this research advocates for a shift toward a due process model, integrating human rights norms into counterterrorism policies for more balanced approach. Yeah. And the next slide. Research hypothesis. This study hypothesizes that by integrating human rights norms and principles of democratization into counterterrorism policies, a more balanced counterterrorism model can be created, and this model is expected to effectively address extrajudicial killing without compromising counterterrorism efforts and minimize adverse impact on democracy in Indonesia. And in this slide, we explain that the research method, this research employs a doctrinal method that's focusing on extrajudicial killing in counterterrorism. It aims to propose comprehensive preventive measures. The method is well established in legal research, allowing for the examination of legal doctrines relevant to complex legal issues. Moreover, a conceptual approach is used, delving into the multifaceted dimension of extrajudicial killing within the context of human rights law. By connecting these elements, the study aims to shed light on violation consequences and potential reform related to extrajudicial killing. Yeah. And the next slide, we show to you about the findings and causes and effects. Yeah, causes and effects. As we know, that is a result and discussion. In this slide, we can explain to you about the identified keywords have significant implication for addressing extrajudicial killing within counterterrorism efforts. Extrajudicial killings raise grave human rights concerns, exacerbated by legal ambiguity surrounding self-defense, or in Netherlands language, we can say that is a non-dual access regulation. And terrorism cases, especially in Indonesia, further underscores these concerns. Achieving clarity and consistency in legal standard is imperative. Counterterrorism policy plays a pivotal role, necessitating true security. Employing law as a social control mechanism guided by legal doctrine and human rights principle is crucial. Comprehensive policies encompassing anticipatory, curative, and restorative controls are essential. The legal structures, leniency, and inconsistency in self-defense regulation application demand reform. Yeah. Similarly, gaps in regulation in subordination issues and concern related to interception methods require meticulous attention within the civil law system. Yeah. And last, we can explain to you about the conclusion that is solution for preventive measures in counterterrorism policies is a multidisciplinary approach. Roscoe legal theory can bring implication of the foundation for just counterterrorism policies respecting individual rights and civil liberties. Yeah, and democratic principle emphasis, human right awareness, and ongoing research. Yeah. So this all about our presentation, and thanks about your attention.